2/3 of US drivers don't trust auto repair shops. That's 63% according to the American Automobile Association. As someone in the industry, I've seen how mechanics take advantage of people who don't fully understand their cars. Overpriced services, unnecessary repairs, and sneaky upsells designed to drain your wallet. Today, I'm exposing 13 common scams mechanics use, and how to spot and avoid every single one. Stick around to the end because I'll share one simple rule that guarantees you never fall for a scam again. These scams cost American drivers billions every year. Some are subtle, others are blatant fraud. Let's break them down. If this video saves you even one unnecessary repair bill, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And if you're one of our first viewers, use the new hype feature to help this video reach more drivers before they get scammed. Scam 13, the urgent fluid flush. Your coolant looks terrible. It needs a flush now. Here's the truth. Most fluids last 50,000 to 100,000 miles. But shops push flushes at 30,000 miles because it's easy money. They'll show you a dirty sample, but it might not even be from your car. Always ask for proof. A test strip or lab report showing your fluid is actually degraded. No proof? Walk away. Don't let them scare you with words like sludge or contamination. If your owner's manual says you're good for another 20,000 miles, trust it, not the mechanic's upsell. A flush costs $100 to $300. Skipping unnecessary ones saves cash and keeps your car running fine. Scam 12, the mystery check engine light. This little light terrifies drivers, and mechanics know it. They'll say it's serious, could cost $1,000 or more. But the EPA says 10% of check engine lights are triggered by minor issues like a loose gas cap. The problem, most of us don't know how to read the codes. That's where they get you. Simple fix. Buy a $20 OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car's port under the steering wheel, and it gives you the exact code. Google it and you'll know if it's serious or a quick fix. Code P0455, loose gas cap. Tighten it or replace for $15. Code PO171, system 2 lean, often just a dirty air filter. Code PO420, catalytic converter efficiency, sometimes just a bad oxygen sensor, not a $1,200 replacement. Scam 11, unnecessary air filter replacements. Mechanics love this one. They'll pull out a filter caked with dirt and say, look how bad yours is. But is that actually your filter, or one they keep in the back to scare customers? Most air filters last 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Unless you're driving through dust storms daily, yours is probably fine. The Car Care Council says 1 in 4 drivers get tricked into replacing theirs too early. Pro tip, snap a photo of your filter before the inspection. Catch them red-handed if they try the swap. Better yet, pop the hood yourself. The air filter takes 30 seconds to check and replace. Scam 10, upselling synthetic oil. The mechanic insists your car needs synthetic oil. It's better for the engine. Sounds convincing, right? Here's what they're not telling you. 75% of cars run perfectly fine on conventional oil, according to Consumer Reports. Synthetic is great for high-performance engines or extreme temperatures. But if your manual doesn't require it, you're wasting money. Synthetic costs twice as much. Your car won't run better or last longer just because you paid extra. Mechanics push it because it's pure profit. Check your oil cap or manual. If it says 5W30 conventional, that's your answer. Save the cash for repairs that actually matter. And it gets worse. The next scam has cost drivers hundreds of dollars for brake jobs they didn't even need. Scam 9. The brake pad scare. Your brake pads are dangerously thin, at 10% life. This scare tactic works because brakes feel urgent, but mechanics often exaggerate to rush you into replacements. Brake pads don't need replacing until they're worn to 3 mm thickness. The NHTSA says pads below 3 mm risk damaging rotors, but above that, you're safe. Most shops push replacement at 5 mm or higher. Ask to see the measurements. An honest mechanic shows you with a caliper. If they refuse or say, trust me, red flag. Many cars also have wear indicators that squeak when pads are actually low. One customer told me a shop replaced his pads and rotors for $400, only to learn later they were still at 4 mm. Always get a second opinion if they claim it's urgent. Scam 8. Fake, factory-only parts. You need factory parts? Aftermarket ones will void your warranty. That's a myth. OEM parts are made by the company that supplied your car's manufacturer. They're identical to original equipment, but dealers charge 2 to 3 times more for them. The National Automotive Parts Association found 89% of aftermarket parts perform just as well as OEM, and they're 30 to 50% cheaper. Example, a Honda Civic oxygen sensor costs $250 OEM, $75 aftermarket. Both pass emissions tests, both last year's. The difference? Your mechanic's profit margin. Unless your warranty explicitly requires OEM parts, which is rare, you're throwing money away for a logo. Always ask, is there a quality aftermarket option? Scam 7. Overcharging for simple fixes. This scam exploits laziness. Yours, not theirs. Mechanics know most drivers won't Google how to replace a cabin air filter, so they charge $150 for a 5-minute job. Replacing a cabin air filter takes zero skill. Open the glove box, pop out the old one, slide in the new one. Done. Yet shops bill 30+ minutes of labor because they assume you'll never YouTube it. The math. A cabin air filter costs $10, $20 online. Mechanics mark it up to $50, add $100 labor. Total scam. Same with wiper blades. A 2-minute swap they charge $80 for. Search your car's make plus cabin air filter DIY on YouTube. Save the labor cash for repairs that actually require expertise. Coming up, the $2 billion fraud most drivers never catch, and the warranty lie dealerships use constantly. Scam 6. The phantom repair. This one's infuriating. You pay for a new fuel pump or transmission flush only to discover it never happened. The Federal Trade Commission reports $2 billion is lost yearly to auto repair fraud, and phantom repairs are a huge chunk. A friend paid $600 for a timing belt replacement. A second inspection revealed the original cracked belt was still there. Protect yourself. Always ask to see the old parts they removed. No leftovers? Red flag. Request before and after photos. Any reputable shop provides them. Check your invoice closely. Look for vague terms like adjusted components or system service. Demand specifics. If they can't detail the work, dispute the charge. Your bank or credit card company will back you up. Scam 5. Your warranty is voided. Lie. Dealerships love this one. If you don't get your oil changed here, your warranty is void. Or using aftermarket parts cancels your coverage. That's a lie. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. Manufacturers can't void your warranty just because you used an independent shop or non-OEM parts, as long as the work meets manufacturer standards. If you change your oil at a local shop using quality filters and fluids, your powertrain warranty stays intact. Same for brakes, tires, or major repairs. Keep receipts and maintenance records. If a dealer denies a warranty claim unfairly, file a complaint with the FTC. They've cracked down on this scam before. Scam 4. Blinker fluid and fake products. This one's almost funny, until you realize people actually fall for it. Some shops sell fake or overpriced products to unsuspecting drivers. Premium windshield washer fluid for $50 a gallon? It's the same stuff at any auto store for $5. Fuel injector cleaner pushed as a miracle fix? Most modern fuels already have cleaning additives. Headlight restoration for $100 plus? A $10 DIY kit works just as well. If it sounds too good or too silly to be true, it probably is. Research products before buying. And if a mechanic mentions blinker fluid, walk out. They're either joking or scamming. We're in the final stretch, and these last scams have cost drivers thousands on repairs they never needed. Scam 3. The shock strut upsell. Your shocks are shot. They need replacing. How do they know? Often, it's just because your car hit a certain mileage. That's not how it works. Shocks and struts don't wear out based on miles alone. They fail due to driving conditions, potholes, rough roads, heavy loads. Most last 50,000 to 100,000 miles, some even longer. Test them yourself. Press down firmly on each corner of your car. If it bounces more than twice after you let go, they might need attention. If it settles quickly, they're fine. A full strut replacement costs $1,000 or more. Unless you're noticing rough ride, poor handling, or uneven tire wear, don't fall for preventative replacement at 60,000 miles. Scam 2, inflated labor hours. Ever get a bill showing 3 hours of labor for a job that took 30 minutes? Shops charge based on book time, standardized estimates of how long repairs should take. But experienced mechanics finish faster. You still pay the full amount. Example, replacing an alternator might have 2-hour book time. A skilled mechanic finishes in 1, but you're billed for 2. That extra hour, pure profit. Fight back. Check labor rates on sites like RepairPal or Your Mechanic. They show fair prices for your car's make and model. Ask for a breakdown of labor costs. If they can't explain how they arrived at 3 hours for a simple brake job, walk away. Always get written estimates. If the final bill exceeds it by more than 10%, dispute the charges. Scam 1. The free inspection trap. Who doesn't love free? That's why this scam works. Shops lure you in with free inspections, then hit you with a long list of urgent repairs. AOA found 22% of free inspections lead to unnecessary fixes. They'll claim your suspension is shot or your belts are about to break, but often these problems are exaggerated or completely made up. Minor surface cracks on a serpentine belt? Normal. Doesn't affect performance. Never approve repairs on the spot. Say, "I'll think about it," and get a second opinion. Don't fall for limited time offer pressure. Repairs aren't emergencies unless your car is unsafe to drive. Here's my #1 rule to never get scammed. Always get a second opinion. If a mechanic says you need a repair, ask for proof. Photos of the issue or the old parts they removed. Then check reviews on BBB or Yelp. Shops with shady tactics crumble under accountability. That's 13 mechanic scams everyone falls for. If this video saved you money, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs to see it. Which scam surprised you most? Drop it in the comments. Every story helps other drivers protect their wallets. And click the link to watch our next video. Car secrets only the most experienced drivers know.